The Speaker recognizes Representative Tlaib.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. This really smells very, very funny. Something is going on behind these closed doors without the people of Michigan seeing and understanding why this decision was made. First, we started with Van Buren. We said we're going to eliminate judge there. Well, people started getting upset about that, and then for political reasons, all of a sudden, poof, we get a Van Buren judge back. Then we move on to Pontiac. Again, removing a judge from there. Poof. Now, all of a sudden, we're not removing a judge from there. And guess who gets hit? Every single time. Detroit. And I'm really tired of it. We have more people than anywhere in the state. I'm not even talking about, we're talking about 700,000 people plus. We're the second largest city, 200,000 people. Every single resident I talk to that go to 36th District Court, it's not reforms that are needed, it's more resources. It's more judges to hear the residents' concerns in a very proper, fair, just way. How can we expect to do our jobs? It's not even just scrap. It's landlord-tenant issues. It's mental health court that's housed there. There's so many programs that are housed there. I have no idea why all of a sudden 36th District Court is on the chopping block. Is it because it's under an emergency manager? Are we actually going to allow an emergency manager who only looks at whatever the person that appointed them there to do versus what the needs of the residents are? I pray to God that one day you all end up in 36th District Court and you feel the pain that my residents feel every single day. It's worse than speed dating. Literally, in minutes, they lose their homes. In minutes, they're kicked out of their homes. In minutes, they're charged with something. They have no idea what's going on because they're trying to go as quickly as possible. You all have to live with the fact that you just removed a resource for somebody to get just, fair decisions because you decided to do it for political reasons. And that is unfair for Michigan families, and it's unfair as a member of this chamber that I am not given enough time to understand the implications of it on my families that I represent. And so I'm asking my colleagues to please table this. Let's look at this. Let's understand what happened behind closed doors. It is unfair for us to not have a public process in this decision. And I ask my colleagues to vote against it. Thank you very much.
Members, let's please abide by the rules of the House. The question is on concurring in the Senate substitute. Record roll. The House is standing to call the chair.